That's what my wife told me, you know, 3 inches, that's not. Hey everybody, this is Sully with 5 Freaking Onion Rings, and I have a problem with Eachine. Got a problem with Eachine. See, they keep putting out quads that are less expensive than what I can source. And right now I'm putting together a 3-inch that I've pieced out everything except for the frame, and actually I just need the frame. Eachine decided, oh gee, I'm just going to put out the Tyro79. And it's pre-sale. And it's frustrating because let's just go through some things here. The Tyro79 comes with 1607 motors, 2800 kV, so suitable for 4S. It has a 19 millimeter micro cam, a 050 200 milliwatt transmitter, a flight controller F4 that's 32K gyro ready, 32K ready, and a 20 amp ESC, which I consider to be the weak point. 10 sets of props that don't look horrible, but they do, you know, they're quad 3-inch props, which can be questionable. So let's even then. And an XT60 connector and no receiver, but a receiver is about $5 to $15 depending, and it has smart audio. Dang. To compare, last year I pieced together this quad using 1407 motors, a micro cam all-in-one that I swapped out and made with an external VTX TX03 that's switchable 200 milliwatt, and I have a buzzer and an F4 flight controller that does not do 32K, and a 28 amp ESC. Yay, so give it up for the ESC. Now, all of that was way more than the $79 for the Eachine. So I have to say, man, I gotta raise $79 because I want to try this thing whenever it releases, and I really want to try this thing when it releases. I gotta tell you, because I can't piece together anything close to that for what they're asking. So my beef with Eachine is like, man, just stop tempting me. I don't want to go broke. I do want another 3-inch, which was 1607 motors. Heck, I could probably swing some 4 inches on that and be pretty happy with it. So, come on, it's even a cool looking frame. I'm not saying buy it, but it's probably 50 bucks cheaper than my ultra cheap build from last year. And it's still cheaper than the build I'm working on right now. So $79 for smart audio, a 1607 set of motors. Heck, those can easily run 50 bucks, and that's if you shop around. I mean, right now, man, that's just crazy. Crazy good price. So I don't want to like, woo, go buy Chinese stuff. But holy cow, how do you turn it down? Eachine, my wallet can only take so much. It can only take so much. Help me out. Help me out. Please. I want to thank you all for coming. I'm putting together a 4-inch, but it's probably not going to be that well spec compared to the freaking that. I mean, shoot, the Tyro79, my God. So anyway, I might be doing a review of the Tyro79 in a little bit as soon as it releases. Just depends on if I can raise the funds or not. Other than that, holy cow, hang on to your hats. 3 inches are taking over the world. They're fast and they're agile, and if you crash, it doesn't cost as much. They're better. So 3 inches taking over the world. At least that's what my wife told me, you know, 3 inches, that's not, just saying. If you like this, give me a like and a thumbs up below, and we'll catch you later.